Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hi everyone, I'm Tarika, welcoming you to Get Curried. Now in the summer, our refrigerators are always overflowing with mangoes. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really nice dessert from Southeast Asia. It's sticky rice with mango, so let's get started. I'm going to start this recipe with making the coconut milk sauce for the sticky rice. Now for that, I have 1.5 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to reserve a couple of spoons of the coconut milk mixture for the slurry later on. Set that aside. And now to the saucepan, I'm going to add the rest of the coconut milk and 3/4 of a cup of raw sugar. Now you can use regular sugar as well, just reduce the quantity to 1/2 cup. And very gently on a medium flame, just cook this mixture till the sugar dissolves completely. The sugar has dissolved completely in the coconut milk and it's starting to steam and bubble a little bit. So it's the perfect time to add our slurry. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch to the coconut milk that we had set aside. Just mix this together. The slurry is nice and smooth and without any lumps. So I'm just going to pour it into the coconut milk mixture and just raise the temperature slightly. And at the same time, just whisk it in really well. The coconut milk sauce will thicken only slightly, but that's perfect because we don't want it very thick. So I'm just going to take this off the heat and then add a tiny pinch of sea salt, just to get the perfect balance of flavors. Our coconut milk sauce is absolutely ready, so let's move on to making the sticky rice. Now for this we're going to need a steamer, so I've got some water simmering here. I'm going to add the next layer, very important. The next layer must be lined with a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth, whatever you have at home. Now to the steamer, I'm going to add 1 cup of glutinous rice. This has been soaking in water overnight and I'm just going to add this here. This glutinous rice is easily available in the market, so you should be able to find it easily. And you know, sticky rice is just such a wonderful dish. It's worth buying this rice. And cover it and let it steam cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. The rice has steamed really well too. Now handle it with care. Whoa, steaming hot, literally. So very carefully, just take out the rice and put it in this bowl. Now I'm going to add most of the coconut milk sauce to the rice while it's still hot, reserving about 1/2 cup of the coconut milk sauce. Don't worry, just like magic, the rice is going to absorb most of the coconut milk sauce. Give that a stir. Now I'm going to cover this and let the rice absorb the coconut milk sauce for at least half an hour. It's been about 20 minutes and the rice has absorbed the coconut milk sauce really well. So now it's time to plate it up and eat it. Now it's time to add some slices of fresh mango. I'm using Alfonso, but you can use any mango that you like. Drizzle a bit more of the sauce and garnish it with some toasted white sesame seeds. and some fresh mint leaves. Indian summers and mangoes are inseparable, so I really hope that you'll try this recipe, and when you do, please leave a comment and tell us what you thought of it. Like this video and of course subscribe to Get Curried for loads more.